I belong to a country where tea is loved perhaps more than water. But surprisingly, tea doesn't find its origin in India. It has been brought to India by Britishers. Well, today's video is not about the origin of the tea, but it's about a unique tea, which is a characteristic feature of my homeland, Kashmir. Kashmir is a heritage of rich art and culture, and so is its cuisine. And this Kashmiri Pink Tea, it finds its place in the hearts of Kashmiris. We cannot thrive without having a cup of pink tea. But recently, this pink tea has been associated with gastric cancers in Kashmir. Before discussing that alarming and serious issue, let's prepare the tea. For preparing the tea, we require unique green tea leaves which are thin and long. We will also require baking soda and salt according to taste. We'll require 1 cup of water and some milk to pour into the decoction after it is made. We'll take a saucepan, add 1 cup of water into the saucepan. This water is cold. And now we'll add 1 spoon of Kashmiri chai leaves. And with the back of the same spoon, we'll add baking soda twice. You say 2 pinches of baking soda is required for this 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri green tea leaves. We'll put the flame on lowest. Chai or pink chai or noon chai, it's a very unique tea because we do not use any sugar in the making of the tea. It's prepared with salt. Yes, this tea is a savory tea. I personally love the tea because it gives me a kind of warmth of the place I belong to, and it's kind of nostalgic. Whenever I feel homesick, I just brew the tea and sip it in my balcony and remember those days when I too used to be a part of that heritage. It's been 10 minutes since this tea has been boiling, and you can see a beautiful red, dark red color is already formed. Gastric cancer remains a major threat to the globe. But recently, studies have shown that there is an alarming increase of gastric cancer in the valley. And many studies have been published, many researches have been published in the various journals there. I will update the link of the journals below in the description box. Please go through them and see for yourself the authenticity of what I am trying to convey through this video. After allowing it to boil for about 10 minutes and continuously stirring it, it will give you a dark red color like this. And you need to stir it continuously and be very watchful because it may get burnt. I have burnt so many decoctions when I was a student. I remember my mother used to make me attend this. Here we will add 1 cup water and salt according to your taste. We'll also add milk in the decoction now when it comes to boil. Add 1 cup of milk to achieve that pink color of the chai. Recently I came through a very beautiful video on YouTube where our Kashmiri Pink Tea was served in Patna ki chai. Mohammed Haider there is serving the tea since last 40 years. He is claiming that this tea takes 9 hours in preparation. We don't strain this tea generally, and we love to take the tea leaves along also. We top it up with some malai and garnish it with almonds to give it that royal look. I will share the link of that Patna wali chai in the description. You also watch that, you will enjoy. As I told earlier, I belong to a country where tea is loved perhaps more than water. And in Kashmir, this pink tea is taken very often. Some people take it 4 to 5 times a day and even more than that. This tea is highly salted and it's prepared with baking soda, and this reaction between baking soda and when it's prepared in aluminium vessels, the reaction between baking soda, aluminium and the chlorophyll of the leaves of the green tea may be the reason behind these findings. A highly salted tea consumption has been linked to the occurrence of gastric cancers in the valley. This dietary sodium chloride, or the common salt, when taken in excess, causes so much harm to the mucosa, the internal lining of our stomach. It may irritate the stomach and there may be unusual growth of the cells. In short, the summary is excess of everything is bad, and if we take highly salted tea, and that too hot tea, so many times a day, it will definitely harm the lining of our stomach. So on the packets of the cigarette or any other food which is harmful to you, it's also written there it's injurious to your health, but we keep on smoking, we keep on drinking those drinks. So what I believe is, drink the tea, enjoy the tea, but not with your food. Enjoy it separately. Give a gap of about 1 hour between your breakfast and the tea consumption. May it be our Kashmiri Pink Tea or any other tea you are taking, because the tea, when reacts with the food, it may deteriorate the quality of the food. It may not help you to get all the nutrients for that food. Tea relaxes, soothes you, but you should not take it as an addiction. Everything in moderation is always good. It has also been proved that all the high salted food, all the hidden salts, I have been sharing with you all through so many videos I have uploaded. The hidden salts in the sauces we get from the supermarkets, the frozen food items, the processed cheese, the processed food items, everything has high salt. And all this high salted food, when we consume it frequently, we may fall prey to these cancerous diseases also. So enjoy your cup of tea. This is rainy season, so enjoy your cup of tea in your balcony with that downpour, and just enjoy the tea. Don't take anything along with it, and enjoy it after having your breakfast, after 1 hour of your breakfast, and you will find it harmless. This will not harm you further. One more important thing which I wanted to say, that if you are out of the stock of your sheer chai leaves, don't worry, you can prepare this tea with any green. It's the combination of green tea and the baking soda which gives the color to the chai. Undoubtedly, the leaves used for this sheer chai are different and unique. But if you don't get those leaves, don't worry, you can still have your cup of sheer chai wherever you are. If you like the information I have shared in this video, please do share with your family and friends. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to consider subscribing the channel so that I can reach more people through these videos. Thank you so much for watching till the end. God bless one and all with good health.